Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in film sentiment at plus 0.63, paired with a momentum score of plus 0.75. This is noteworthy because it's well above our historical baseline, indicating a strong positive shift in audience perception. When you integrate our Film Sentiment API, you'll receive not just these top-level metrics, but also detailed insights, including 20 semantic clusters that dissect the emotional landscape of viewer reactions. Imagine you're developing a recommendation engine for a streaming service. With our API, you can tailor suggestions based on real-time sentiment shifts, ensuring your users are always engaged with content that resonates with current viewer sentiment. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Build smarter with us.